Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic fractions worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of dividing algebraic fractions. Now, the lesson that we've already had on this mentions that the rules involved, or the guidelines involved for this process, is exactly the same as the one for dividing normal fractions. And the basic rule is this: when you see a division sign, you change that division sign to a multiplication sign. The next thing you do is the fraction directly after the division sign, you turn it upside down. So make that a multiplication sign, turn this one upside down, and then multiply the numerators together, multiply the denominators together, and then simplify where possible. So it's exactly the same for all these examples. Now, when you do, for example, the first two, you'll probably find that there'll be no simplification. But for all the rest, if you look at it carefully, you'll be able to simplify the algebraic fraction, and that's what you're asked to do. So again, make that a multiplication sign, turn this one upside down, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify. And it's exactly the same here. When we get down to the last four, they're a little bit more involved because you have three algebraic fractions. However, you'll notice here we have a division sign. So for each of these examples, change each of these division signs to a multiplication sign and turn the last fraction upside down. Multiply the numerators and denominators together, and then simplify. Finally, notice here in the last one you have something to the power of 0. Okay, look at that. So you have to remember what that means. And that was explained in an earlier video, the value of a pronumeral, for example, to the power of 0. So if you remember that, you'll be able to work out those examples without any problem whatsoever. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice dividing algebraic fractions. And if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. Click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of the examples.